In 1962, the Yevtoria Center for Deep Space Communications made history by sending the first radio signal intended for extraterrestrial civilizations. Though more than 60 years have passed without a response, scientists have not given up and continue the search for life beyond Earth. The LIGO Observatory has taken this mission a step further, finding ways to detect unseen objects and even potential life in distant parts of the universe using cosmic waves. Some astronomers working with the Pan-STARRS telescope may have even detected signs of other civilizations watching us. But can we detect an alien spacecraft? Gravitational waves, mysterious ripples in the fabric of space and time, travel through the universe at the speed of light. These waves are generated when massive objects accelerate, like remnants of exploded stars, black hole mergers, or galactic collisions. Detecting them was once thought impossible, similar to trying to see ripples from a pebble thrown into Lake Michigan while standing in Sydney. That was until 1994, when a $395 million investment allowed Californian physicists to build a machine to detect gravitational waves. Two observatories with special mirrors, 4 kilometers apart, were constructed. Their purpose was to detect tiny oscillations of space and time caused by passing gravitational waves. In 2015, this machine detected a gravitational wave from a merger of two black holes, each roughly 30 times the mass of our Sun, occurring 1.3 billion light-years away. This success opened new doors. Luke Seller, a graduate student at the University of California, Los Angeles, proposed that not only massive cosmic events, but also alien spacecraft could produce detectable gravitational waves. However, the challenge arises from the fact that LIGO can only detect waves from objects as massive as Jupiter. So, how could a relatively small alien craft be detected? Physicist and astronomer Irina Romanovskaya proposed that extraterrestrials might travel on rogue planets, massive, Jupiter-sized planets that move freely through space. In 2021, scientists discovered around 170 such planets in our galaxy, and there could be as many as 50 billion. If these rogue planets were accelerated to near light speed, they could generate gravitational waves detectable by LIGO. Romanovskaya also suggested that rogue planets might offer aliens natural protection from space radiation and ample resources, making them ideal spaceships. While an actual spacecraft the size of a planet sounds like science fiction, similar ideas have been portrayed in movies. The Death Star from Star Wars, for instance, is a massive moon-sized space station. In reality, building something like the Death Star would take 100 times longer than the age of the universe and cost more than $850 quadrillion. But an advanced civilization might already have such structures, even larger, scattered across different galaxies. For LIGO to detect gravitational waves from a spacecraft, its size, mass, and speed would need to be immense. While we don't know what could fuel such speeds, physicist Bob Lazar, who claims to have worked at Area 51, suggested that aliens might use antimatter as fuel. He described a reactor powered by the then unknown element 115, which could theoretically allow spacecraft to manipulate gravity and achieve ultra-fast travel. According to Lazar, alien spacecraft might enclose themselves in a gravitational field, enabling faster-than-light travel. This concept of warp-speed travel isn't entirely fictional. It mirrors the warp drive engine from Star Trek, which creates a warp bubble that compresses space in front of a ship and expands it behind, allowing faster-than-light travel. While Einstein argued that no information could travel faster than light, warp drive could bypass this by using space-time itself, which isn't made of matter or energy. However, there's a catch. Spaceships like Lazar's aren't the size of Jupiter. This raises the question: could LIGO detect smaller spacecraft? According to a draft document from Harvard University and the Pentagon's UFO office, it's possible that there's a giant alien mothership in our solar system sending out smaller probes, nicknamed dandelion seeds, to explore planets, including Earth. This could explain sightings of UFOs like the one Bob Lazar described. In 2017, the Pan-STARRS telescope in Hawaii detected an unusual object entering our solar system. Dubbed Oumuamua, it moved at an incredible 87 kilometers per second and had a strange cigar-like shape. While initially thought to be a comet, its sudden acceleration and unique characteristics sparked speculation that it might be an alien spacecraft. Despite various scientific explanations, no one has definitively explained Oumuamua's behavior, leaving open the possibility that we caught a glimpse of an actual UFO. Could LIGO one day detect similar spacecraft moving through space? If aliens are watching us, perhaps we'll soon be watching them too. If we find evidence of thriving intergalactic life, what will you do? Will it feel like discovering a grand cosmic party that humanity wasn't invited to? Share your thoughts in the comments.